The first thing you need to have to train a puppy to walk is a leash, and you absolutely need this pouch and a belt on which this pouch sits, and I have small bite-sized bits of cheese to train the puppy. That's all. The next thing you have to know is that you can't take the puppy for a walk for like 2 kilometers or a kilometer. The maximum I'm going to take him is maybe 15 to 20 feet outside my house. So you have to be mentally prepared for that. Usually new puppy owners, what they do is they hook on the leash and they start dragging the puppy around for miles and miles together. It doesn't work. So this is the first time I have put the leash on him. So this is a very normal behavior for the puppy to exhibit. He is fighting the leash. So please do not hurry by pulling on the leash and all that. You calmly encourage the puppy, yes, to come to you, like that. Okay? So don't resist the temptation to pull on the puppy. So let him get comfortable with the leash. Yes. So the first time he is outside the house actually on a leash. So his natural instinct is to be somewhat confused. So again, don't rush it. You encourage him. Jambu, Jambu, yes. Jambu, yes. Jambu, gimana? Yes. என் பின்னாடி வா, பின்னாடி போ, பின்னாடி போ, பின்னாடி போ. ஜம்பு, நீ எதுக்குப்பா உபா ஆக்டர் மாதிரி இங்க நிக்கிற? போறாமே அங்க. எஸ். 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 Yes. Baba, Jambu, ba, ikut ba. Yes. Yes. Jambu, ikut ba, ikut ba. Good boy. Good boy. Yes.
Never.
Yes. Jambu. Jambu. Yes. Good boy. So that will be your first day of training, as far as training the puppy to walk. Yes. And you reward any focus he may give you. Jambu. Yes. Good boy. Smart boy. இருக்கு சும்மா காட்டினா போறோம். குட்டியை மட்டும் எடு. So this is a very normal behavior for the puppy. The first time she is out, she is confused and all that. So that is fine. So the worst thing you can do is to pull her now. That is the worst thing that you can do. So don't do that ever. Kutti, inge ba, kutti, inge ba. Inge ba, inge ba. Yes. Kutti, ba, inge ba, kutti. Inge ba. Yes.
ஐயாவை நீ எடுக்காத. இத பொறு அங்க நவத்தி அப்படி ஐயா
குட்டி பாப்பா இங்க வா இங்க வா எஸ் இங்க வா குட்டி ஓடியா எஸ் இங்க வா எங்கிட்ட வா பாப்பா இங்க வா வா குட்டி ஓடியா இங்க வா எஸ் So if she's going to walk only 2 steps today, that is all you can train. Yes. 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 So this is again pretty normal. This is a new puppy. They are just petrified by the fact that they are outside. So you encourage them to come to you. Armuga? Yes. Good boy. So if your puppy is not willing to even take a first step, that's fine. You have to be okay with it. Yes. And you can just put the leash on and mark reward him. Here, puppy. Yes. Yes. So he is not ready to walk, so that's fine. I have to work with his schedule. I can't make him work according to my schedule. Yes. Good boy. Catching you, huh? Ammadi. Yes. Armugo, inge ba, inge ba. Cha. Armugo. Yes. 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 So this is what he is going to do today. He dictates what he is going to get trained on. I do not. So I am going to put him back inside the house.